To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Alright, if it's your first time to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is uploaded. Alright?
Don't give up on me. There are some things I cannot say. One day, no matter what I do, it's not enough. No matter what I say, I can't get my way. One day, at least that's what my heart still says. So please, don't give up on me. Deep down I'm trying to be strong for so long. One day I know I'll get what's meant for me.
Alright, shopping. Yeah, go to work at the people out there. Good night. You know, so something I buy in the shop here, so I'm short after that. You can't spare after that. When you see again, give back. I'll lend me or something, anything. You really give me show?
Mm-hmm.
You know, say at first somebody give me $50 for real.
Yeah, the last $50 I have.
Alright, thank you. You
You're
know,
welcome.
because at the first somebody I give me $50. First. Because every day I just I give. Me give. That's the way I live. Thank you for giving me this. But anyway, I don't really need it still now, but I just say I check what kind of person you be. I've been admiring you from quite some time. So you're going to school and very. Yeah, so I don't really want the $50, Just to test your skill to see what kind of art you have differently. You know what I mean? Most time I drive. You know what I mean? I'm not driving now because I put on the vehicle because I just want to get to see you again. I'm not stalk you though, so don't call them police for me or anything.
Well, I really thought you needed it because I know how it feels sometimes to want something and you can't get it. So that's why I really said, okay, let me give it the last $50 that I have.
Alright, so since you said the last that you have, it's very kind of you.
Okay.
I'm going to give some extra. Back, alright, so this is 10 times. Is it 10, 20 times $50? Yeah, something like that. I don't go. You are the one to go to college. 40 times the $50. But take my number. Whenever you're short of anything at all, you can call on me. See, I got to go. So somebody's calling me. I got to go back. So I have business place running. I just take the time off because I want to meet you. Right? So what you do, just take my number. Write it down.
Okay.
Hello?
I won't really use it, but
It's 825
hold on. Let me put it in. Okay, you can give me now 825.
825
Mhm.
1926. And you know the error code.
876.
187. You're a very bright girl. I like you. Pong.
Why would you do that?
I just understand. Nice meeting you though. That's what I do to my ex-girl. She used to like it and I played her nose. She's very turned on by her nose. You turn on by your nose?
No.
What turns you on?
I don't want to go into that. You're a stranger.
I don't want to be a stranger though. I want to be like your best friend.
What if I don't want you to be my? What if I don't want you
No,
to be my
but
best friend?
it's up to you though because I will not force you, but I will show you love that nobody in the world could show you the love I have to show you. Because I've been admiring you for quite some time, but I take my time to get to see you. But this was the last test. I test you with that to see if you have a kind heart. I see you go to school, to the college, and I see you come back and I see you don't go to party. I don't see you doing anything bad. You know what I mean? I don't see you hang out with the girls, them cocking up your body. I don't see you on your head tap in the dance. I don't see you go to the dance. I don't see you go to church either, so that's when I'm confused. So that's why I have to test you if you have a good heart. Right?
Yeah.
But you're very beautiful though.
Thank you.
I like your nose. I don't know if I'm nose fetish. Yeah. Yeah. So, we live with though, and I never check the part of.
I live with my sister.
Sometimes
My
you look
eldest
sad
sister.
though. I noticed that about sometimes you're sad.
I don't want to go into that.
But we will talk about it though, because I want to make you happy forever, right?
Okay.
Do call me though. You make my night though.
We'll see.
Alright? Nice meeting you. Can I get a hug? I don't know. It's too
Nope,
early.
my house is right there. Nope,
Oh, people's watching you?
I think so.
But can I shake hand then? Nice meeting you. What's your name again?
My name is Betty.
Betty. You have a nice hand though, like you use it. You rub with cocoa butter lotion?
No, I don't.
What do you use on your hand?
I prefer to keep that to myself.
No, I want to know if I can buy a whole case or to keep it that way.
Next time.
We're gonna talk, you know.
Have a nice
Nice
night.
meeting you. I'll go back now.
Okay. Big sister. Oh yeah, go.
Don't call me no big sister, you don't know my name. What? Where you come chat about big sister or what? What? Candy. You just remember my name. Where you say?
At college, me already forgot, but me ask you where you go, or you hot so. So I make you shake and I look for myself. Your bull buck and up, you can carry your nerves that go bad.
Boy, don't question me. We is the same mother, but not the same father. Who you?
So true, me and not the same father you treat me, so?
I am older than you. You is my little sister. I am the older one. Don't question me.
Anyway, me stop questioning me. I come go class. I pay cash pack number them here in my book.
Give me it. What you feel? Say? You think that you're brighter than me? Eh? You want to come go on like you want to talk to me and you, hey girl, remember say me your bigger sister and we mother now there, me bust up your face. Take a piece of dirty book. How you feel like?
Make me feel in a life.
Actually, me can't read, make you come and talk to me. So me, hey, don't ramp with me. Go on where you go. Take up your book.
Everything me do in a life, you trouble me.
Take up your
Every time
book.
me go forward, you push me backward.
Take up your book and talk to me. Take it up. And come out of my room. Bright. I shouldn't make you sleep in here and the ground. I should have, hey girl, go on out.
And every time when me tell mommy no believe me. I mean, no liar.
Where you look for me suffer?
But you treat me bad.
Because you're brighter than me. That's why you always are feisty with me. That's why I treat you so. Come out of my room. Don't come back in my room. I'm not sure.
Don't give up on
Actually, I'm a
me.
little sister. I want to bust up your face and I ring now.
There are some things I cannot say. One day, no matter what I do, it's not enough. No matter what I say, I can't get my way. One day, at least that's what my heart still says. So please, don't give up on me. Deep down I'm trying to be strong for so long. One day I know I'll get what's meant for me. So please, don't give up on me. Don't you give up. One day.
My sister again, you know we at it again. She out to stress me out. Me feel that she bad mind for some reason, you know. A while ago, me take up my book off of the side table, right? When me open my book and look in there, be a cash pack number, you know. You know, say the little money when mommy send for my school fee, me use and buy cash pot, and because me tackle her about it earlier this morning, She look like a hit make she a show me bad face a while ago. Me tuck up my book off of the bedside table. She fling down my book and run me out of the house and tell me about her because me
How
can't
this?
read.
Who you talk to on the phone? How this? Who this? How this?
My friend.
Dirty girl, you a lead me sister astray. And you a tell her if you come rank with me. Wait till I hold you. Don't call her me sister. Are you Oi, shut up. Shut up your mouth. Shut up. You hear me? Shut up your mouth, girl.
I can't tell you now.
Hey, girl. Come on for me, phone. Come on. If she Becky. Girl, you remember say me go a road. Me go a road, go gamble and get money and buy this gear. You hear? Remember that. Don't use the call a little dirty butterfoot girl the way I come tell you if you go keep man a road and then not give you nothing. You're bright. What you feel like? So you listen to your friend on road but you not listen to me as a bigger sister. You not listen to me. Oi. You not her sister? You not our friend. So you prefer your friend more than your sister? Which part you they go?
Class.
Go on in your class and stop calling little dirty girl when not even can read just like myself. Yeah. Right. Hey, oi! Oi! You see if you don't make nobody on the road ask so one make you they cry and you come call up my name to them you're not gonna like you. You hear me say? When you come home, my name off your food and no give you none. So stop it balling. Because you hide and you take man, you think me no know. I know to me a chat here come go like you're saying. You feel say me no know what you do? That same girl are you just call him? Are you call her or she call you?
She called me.
You sure? Whether she call you or you call her, tell that girl them say me say you see that phone ya? When me take me money and buy, me a call Remedy now. And I'm here the dunce one. And me take me money by phone for you, but you can't call friend, but you not call me. You not call me as your sister when nothing to your road, everything good. You see any deal, me you say you they call me name to that little dirty girl there again. You see for me or you. Me bust up for your face and for your face too. You want me take back my phone from you? Eh? Go on where you go. I told me sorry for you, you know. Go on where you go, man. I ever make no nice funny road and make people them here and come ask me no question. You see for me when you come home back. And that's what you do. Call up my name to people. And then come home like you're a saint. You like a love ball, you torment. You must set ball pan you. Every time you chat to you, come ball like me lick you. See, any day me lick you, girl, you're not gonna like it. Go on this part of the go. I say you come home and go like you're a saint. You call back that dirty girl and you will see what me do.
There are some things I cannot say. One day, no matter what I do, it's not enough. No matter what I say,
But Manda, my big sister, and she, mommy said to look after me. But me no have no better Manda. She wanna send me to school since mommy gone. But Manda, me no know if all the time you go have money to send me to school, Manda.
Send them out school. Send them out school. You have link? You have got school, you have link. Where they will go look for you?
Me dey up the road after you pass the corner where me did drop last week.
What's the direction? So we can go your job.
My mommy and you didn't walk on the road, Manda. Me confused, you know, man.
You walk all look for you, know. But you walk up the road. So we show you the tail by the front somewhere.
Alright then.
Alright.
Keeper,
Yes, ma'am.
me come for me money where you owe me. And 2 times me sell you it already. And you did owe me from inner last year and me not say nothing. I make you stay. But you see this time it's like how me broke. And me have my little sister to take care of. At 3 grand you say me figure it
I
for.
mean, I have a whole tree, you know.
What you mean?
They say me not have it.
After me give me good. For 3 grand. You can't tell me say no have so what you do me already, you want to come do me again?
Alright, me have $1,000 right now.
Who you get $1,000?
That me have.
So when me go get me that $2,000?
Give me next 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Mm.
So each week $1,000 for each week.
I don't really $1,000.
Come better than that. Me can't get it next week. Me want me money.
I don't just me have right now.
You see next time you come to me, if you come me sell on me front, you not go get it. Because you see, you are your little cheap price, them $3,000, me not in it, and you are the only man me sell it for $3,000. And you don't want to give me like a trick, you know what?
That's why I breed
Yo.
easy, man. Breed easy, man.
Breed rich easy.
You know, me I come now.
You see, if I want him, me give it back, you know, to me and my little sister to go buy something for you here, and she hungry because we mother not did it. Everything good, man. But wait, you go in at the mood again and want it again, and come back to me. Come back to me because you... Where you see? Where you see for me?
You have a big it again and you give me, you get more money this time.
Not for free.
You get more money this time.
What me just say? Not for free. And a matter of fact, you not get back this a good year until you give me $2,000. And the next time, if there is a next time, you have to pay me before you get your idea.
My girl, thank you.
What you mean what to me? You can't come buy me things. And this me live off of.
Breed easy, man.
Breed which easy. Next time I will breed that on you. Because next time you have to give me the money first before you get here. What you feel like? Me and my little sister for feed, you know?
Yeah, but I can't love me, you know.
Look here. Yes, me like you, me don't love you. But that no means to me to give you for free. It is not for free.
Them have your money all the way.
What me say? This I not for free. Me have my sister to take care of. All when time in the ring with me, I feel my sister me I'll take care of.
So, I'm not to give thinking for that to take care of sister.
Yes, it's my job. One about that.
For Jesus.
Yes, if I never one thing, a picture of a chair. Come here, bad girl, and me run this alien. You can't talk to me.
Mm.
And you see, next time you think you can come style me and look on it. Give me $1,000 out of my $3,000. I'll give you 3,000 bucks. Right. No boy, style me, you know. Better man than you. I'll give me more than $3,000. And me not go to them. Because I know they have their wife. And me come give you and come style me and give me $3,000. And me say yes, me will take you $3,000. And you still not have the $3,000 to give me when you come give me $1,000. I style you style. Me say if I know one thing, I bust up your face, you know, boy. You not even know who you are play with. Nobody know another shop here. Right now I'm nervous because the $1,000 me have to go take it by something to my sister. Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
You have any sweet biscuit in here?
You can get back to now.
You can give me one of them peanut butter biscuit there, please. And thanks. I want one little chubby.
Butter food.
Must cool, of course. Miss, take up here and give me. So, you want me to fling down back the money for the counter and give you? Alright? Give me one chubby. The woman doesn't even know my ramp, you know.
She want me to bring to her.
You must think of domino you play. Right. You would lose. Woman, give me my change. Because my little sister soon come and she hungry. It's like how me have the 1,000 and me have to spend here to my sister and I love her.
But there's a problem for her.
You know what? Yeah, you say if you don't come on a foul roost, then you can't shit pan you. This is just this me no man. Me not come back in your shop. You lose a customer.
You know if you come.
I bet me tell everybody in the community if you don't come back in your shop. The whole of them and my family will live in here, so you know.
Me tell you all of them so you can't stop them.
have to stop right here. I live down there, but I don't want anybody, I don't want the community members to see me, nor my sister, because if she see me, she not treat me too good and now go put it on my side. So later, babes.
Alright. Thank you.
Alright.
But when they warm, you see I put on enough weight, I tell you must squat because you get a little bit loose. Right, man. The squat in the morning, squat in the evening. Alright?
Come in. What do you know? Oi! Get up. You can't just come from class with a dirty body and your dirty clothes, with a dirty bag, and come sit down on the way. You think you wash them, yeah? Are you wash this? Eh? Put your bag over there, so I know your clothes dirty. Come back and sit down right here, so. Put it, a matter of fact, put on your bag on ground. Sit down. Come in, I don't know make you walk so like a tip. Look here. Sit down. Something happened with you. Something happened with you?
No, ring my foot. Don't leave. Remember the big patrol that carry them always are dropping them before we reach the car around there, so when they run me down, I saw my foot go down.
Which boy running down?
You don't know the big fat boy we always I say sexy body candy.
Who you call Candy?
But that's all.
When me name? When me right name? When me right name? Nestles.
Nestles.
When me right name?
Nestles.
Talk to me properly, because when you're in front of me, you come going like your baby and back of me. Look here, man. What my name?
Nestles.
Betty, let me tell you something. If you ever they ramp up with Miss Matty boy, them over there, and they can't tell me about your ring your foot, because boy, they running down, me box out your teeth, them out of your head. And that you do?
Where did I run?
You did that run.
And my foot go so.
You have something for them?
I don't know.
So, that big fat boy the way I tell you about. And him and Miss Matty boy I go to school, them a friend. And the two of them plan to gang you. Watch me and them. Me no want no boy.
No.
Play with my sister.
No, don't
Betty, take care now for me. When me talk to you, listen, don't touch. You is my little sister, and me there to defend you. You know, sister, we mama run we gone left way.
But me think a foreign should there send the money come.
Find your backside, you know, the road of cell front. And she me take off at. No, make me lick in your face. You see what me have to do to make you reach which part you reach. And make done slack a bat. Me not even can spell my name. Hey girl, don't ramp with me. I want to start Nestles. Which letter start Nestles?
N.
A N started? The fool no.
No, N start is big sister.
A N.
N. The N says The N says
Nestles.
Every letter makes a sound. The N says.
Don't sing nothing to me. But N start with Nestles. You idiot girl. You know to say a Q. The fool no.
Alright, fuck you.
A N start for your name. You know to say a Betty your name. You fooling.
Betty says boo.
Where you just say me to move.
No.
Where you say?
I said Betty said boo.
Where you say? Nestles, you better move. Don't play with me. You have manners in me bigger than you.
Sorry, big sister.
The girl come in and me feel say hungry, she hungry.
But me hungry for sure. See, look like I guess I take up my belly side right here, so. Give me something.
Where you come and touch me so far? You're hungry. You're hungry and me not even know where you come from but hungry. So you want some soup? Come.
Soup got gas pain.
Alright, come. You see this? And this me buy for you. Eat them.
Oh, thank you.
Me bigger than you. You how much year
I
old?
said thank you.
You how much year old?
Me just 17 graduate from high school and just start college, my sister.
Say thank you 7 times.
Thank you, 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 big sister.
Show me 7 on your finger.
7.
That are not 7. You fool now. Take it from your Kevin phone. And boy, you're brighter than me. Eat it. I want.
Big sister, this a peanut butter. You know, so make me
Let me
not
see.
eat it. See there, peanut butter. I'm allergic to it too.
This a peanut butter?
Yes.
You see peanut butter, man?
Scratch already.
Girl, will you say allergic to this?
Yes, you don't know. Look how much you carry me got doctor for it.
This are no peanut butter. This are butterscotch. Don't play with me, near me.
I can't eat it. See them start rush up already.
Not true. Sorry, me never know. You want some of my
Sometimes
soap?
I feel you don't love me.
Alright, take some of my soap. Me love you. Take some. Me love you. Come
Peas
on,
in it and me allergic to nuts. Remember so when me eat nuts, the whole of me skin rash up. And me eat the peanut butter, you're gonna make me touch all the plate. Me not go nowhere near them something here, big sister. You know me feel you don't love me sometimes.
Stop saying that. Because I love you for true. If I never love your mood, make sure I buy something for you eat. Come sit down side of me right
But
here.
you buy the best for yourself and buy this.
One next time I buy something and buy this for myself. Come up here, son.
Yeah, that you must. Ooh,
I want you.
it look like me have gas.
In your belly.
Mm-hmm.
So I gotta skin up your face or what?
Cause it pain.
Pain?
Mm-hmm.
Me go road tonight. So any money when me get I fi carry a doctor. Cause me no want nothing to do. Here? Alright. I love you here, my sister. What way you go eat? You're not eating nothing. You're not hungry.
Yeah, me hungry bad. Me just drink the juice and then me boil some milk tea on me bed.
Hey, you see this? This a medicine here. It's bad. They sell in a pharmacy. One time when they did little, and you never born yet. And this a medicine here. We mother go in a pharmacy go buy it and say the doctor said this good for me sinus. Drink it.
But chubby
And
blood.
it good for pain too.
Chubby blood.
Stop! You see chubby man funny. Drink it. A medicine.
See there.
A drinks, but it come like medicine. Drinking no good for
You
you.
remember when him boy used to sit down on the TV and sing chubby, 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 chubby,
Drink,
chubby,
drink it. You chat too much. Drink it. Shouldn't buy nothing for you. Look here. You can go on now. Go on, go on. Go on, although your mother not there, go on in your room, go look at phone, they want to tie you.
Help me perfect bed now, please.
Who fi help you up off a bed?
Gas pain hook.
I mean do anything to you? Me send you go a class and you just they come back. You see the time when you they come back from class?
But me never eat before me go to class and me not eat
Oh,
now.
me no remember. When people go to class and know you nothing if you come back from class late. Get up and go, because you take the feed you.
Then me come back hungry. Ow. Ooh.
Oh, remember see you're brighter than me. So you see education you have, use your hand out to pay out your belly. Go on out. I would done so that you want to come take out pain out of you. Me put any pain in your gut. Go on out of my room. Oi, come back. Take up your bag and go out. I mean, you know, make you walk like I said, then take some dish and cloth and lick you. So when they lick fall with dish and cloth, before they leave, watch you. Watch you. No man, this is a serious thing. Go on. Let me not know about.
Oh, sister. Big sister.
Yeah.
Remember some me and mommy always sleep and like how mommy gone, she said me must sleep with you.
The whole world knows me and sister call me my name. Betty, call me my name.
Next rule.
Okay. Yes. When you're ready, you can come back and sleep. Alright, now you come?
Yes.
Go on over there so go sit down.
Why the bed feel so high? Ooh.
And this a bed you sleep on every night. You forgot? And they come ask me how it's so high. You see, if you don't have nothing sensible to ask me, do not ask me no question.
So me have one sensible question.
How I know?
Oh, you sweat like bohag, so?
Betty. Betty,
Hmm?
leave me alone.
Alright.
You know, say I hot soup me I drink so me happy sweat. Chew you no name nuts. Eh? You no name peas. You no name nothing at all. Not even peanut butter you no name. And I can't try trick me about peanut butter they on this. Look here, mind your own business. Make me sweat. Make me sweat. Allow me alone, make me sweat. You're not even big friend come from school and come chat about people and sweat. How are you? You know, no man has enough careful of what you say to me. A powerful name me have, you know. Powerful name.
Sorry, Nestles. Sorry.
Tell me sorry again.
I am sorry, Nestles.
Never hear. Yes, if you tell me sorry again, girl.
I am sorry, Nestles.
Okay. Look, you saw that fist in your face, you see. It's like, you see your mommy gone left the two away in my house. And I'm me when I feel struggle with you. And you come and come ring with me.
Nestles, the room hotty.
Me not no fun. Me don't have any fun.
So how you work every night and you don't have no fun?
You know why me not have no fun? Because of you. Me have to send you go to school if you got say, we mother gone left with. How much time if you tell her that? Me would have more than fun, but all because of you. You see you come to tell me now, me not no fun, me not no this, me not no that, and all because of you. If I never you, me don't have more than fun.
So talking this and talking that won't me not fun. Me soap down in the bathroom. You can get one soap, please?
Look here, no water around there. Water around the bathroom? Baby without soap. Me not have no soap. The last money when me have me take it by that the drinks there, when me tell her say good for your belly, because my mother used to give me for medicine. And this you don't near me. Me no figure your soap. Where me get money from? The money we left out of it. And I no money to buy no soap gear. Me have the $1,000 when me get. The man all want me $2,000. You come tell me about soap. Soap. Where? I have to pay me fear if you go catch another one. To send you go to school tomorrow.
Oh, you mean catch another one? How you do?
I fly me a catch, that's enough for your business. You're little, you know, if you go in a big people's story, you know, I'm going to say something to you, I want to stretch you out. Leave me alone and ask me no question.
Because you the consent, you can't talk.
Me don't care, you still not work and you don't have no roof over your head for yourself. I'm responsible for you. When me cannot go look for a job then, and when me cannot go look for a room for rent, when you leave me alone and me can save and buy fan. You see, if you want to go sleep, go and go sleep, you don't have to do it. Do like me. Me not like bed, I don't want to run a pipe, me not bother bed. Why good for? You ever hear say no bed kill people if they no bed? Eh? If you want bed and you no bed, they go kill you? Eh? No Nestles. Talk to me good, like your bigger sister have manners.
No Nestles.
Go on in your bed. Don't bed, go on in your bed. Go on in your bed. Get up and go on in your bed. And if I catch your foot on me, you sleep bad no more. Go on in your bed. Your foot clean, you not fi bed. Go on in your bed. And nobody go tell your friend. Oh, me say you not fi bed. A long time me smell your mouth, but me not think nobody else smell it. Go and go sleep. I little toothpaste so me have when I want brush my teeth before me go on the road later. You want come down now see. Go and go sleep. Because when me a grown the man, then me have to brush my teeth, yeah. I want. You know what? Go on in your bed. I don't have time for you, because time for me go on the road and I don't bed. Because you see, when you don't bed and you gamble, you win. So me
You
about,
can get one sheet, please?
you know just say you're happy you do it cheap. You know go sweat underneath sheet and you not no fun.
What mosquito go bite me?
You not no cheap. You gonna have pillar them cover up. That's why me have to go a road at night time. No, you see why me have to go a road. Because me need sheep, me need fan. And me have to feed you, me have to send you to school. Go on in your bed.
Why you take things tell me for?
Yes, when me go out on the road, you try to call me and disturb me, you know, when me there in action, you know. I walk and I like people bother me when me there in action.
That's why I don't beg people nothing.
What you just said? You talk to me?
No, No, me just say that's why me love you because you're my best sister.
Oh, okay, alright, later here.
Alright.
Hey, come here. Want to talk to you, come here.
What want me do now?
Me say come here, man. You have a little sister, I don't like when I hear walk on in the street.
We are here about me in the street.
Eh? When I hear about you, how much money you want, so?
How much man who me?
Me I hear to your man a east, man a south, man a north, man a west. I don't know where upon the map again you don't have man.
I rang somebody here about because the only thing my focus upon right now is my college. Me just want to go classes at evening time. You can't even ask my sister. You can't go ask Nestles. At college me go every evening. So I don't know where you go say people will tell lie upon me because they don't want me come to nothing and they want the whole of us family to cut me off. Me not do nothing wrong.
Man college. Because I never yet see you a study. I never yet see you with my yaya study. Where you want to become? You want to work over there, so? You want to work, Panny? You know what them do over there? $2,000 a night, $1,000 a night, and they say you want to work? Oh, you better make sure if I tell you want to do, not do it in my mother's roof.
But me not do nothing.
And what me I hear, I bush no have ears, they have yai.
Me don't tell you already, but because you don't have IPC when me I go to college at evening time, and you don't have ears to hear about the good when me I do. Go and go ask Nestles now. Every single evening me come out here, out of the house, and me I go to classes.
Let me tell you something. Don't tell me to go ask your sister, because your sister will back you up. You know what time me I teach people apple and when they come say I'm teach you, my sister back me. So he will do the same thing for you. Yes, you know what? Forget about the college thing. Because listen to me see people with 15 subjects, you want to know then they on roadside mad. So you hear me actually say, how money you want, start do a painting work. If you can't manage paint, woman learn to use waka. And if you can't manage the waka, boy, dog never mess up. Go on. Go on, where did they go? Go on. Go on. Go sell bag juice. You reach far.
We better not sell bag juice. Oh, graduate from school with 19 subjects and go sell bag juice. How does I go look for the family? And me alone will come out from time to something.
Let me teach you something. If you start from sweetie, you can reach to bigger establishment. Me teach you something in life. Don't follow people and start big. You will fall back small. Start small and fall big. You talk about better than which bag juice.
You lick your head. Eh? Me a pretty girl. You should have glad see your sister try to launch out. See Nestles a sell. And me a try to work. And you a box from about to stand. You have to wait for people to get a little yard work and a little painting work. And you want me? No. Somebody in the family have to come out good. The whole of the tree can't have full of bad apple. One apple must can't eat. One. You can't dash everything. We go in the shop. So, my big brother.
Right, already. You can't get half of my money when you work. Alright. I'm not minding. Alright, how much was it?
What go on, G? Boy, you know, say I call me, I call it right there for your number. I want to cool on myself, I need a girl, you know, man. So you do that, man. Give one of them a number, man. 363. Give them that number there. 363-6916. Yeah, man. 363-6916. Yeah, man. Just give them that number there and call me. Yeah, man. Sure, so. Alright.
Hi. I've got your number.
How you get my number?
I've got your number from a friend. Yeah.
How?
Are you doing business?
I'm a nigga, man. You hear me now?
Okay.
Me I come link up you. Right now, me I come link you.
You know, I am at Convincing Street. You know Convincing? Oh, you know it. Okay. I'm on the other side of the road, right behind this block wall here built with stone. Do you know there? No? Really? Well, I'm gonna look out for you when you're coming, okay? Okay, cool. You can come over.
Alright.
Bye.
Right. Fresh up again. Nessus, what you do yourself?
What you want to do yourself?
Me say me get a call from a girl to come meet her right yourself. And Nessus, I can't believe that you because it's down Nessus. And so they really are dead. Why you been do that?
Milo, shh. Milo, hold on. What you say, you get a call?
Just not too long. Somebody don't give you a number.
Yes. So you me just talk to?
I can't believe this, Nessus. I can't believe this. All the while me I blame Betty. I know are you. No man, come on. Do better than that. You can't be yourself.
What you say?
Yourself.
Say affront me yourself?
Yes. They should have seen you. How you been do that?
Milo.
No, mix me.
Milo, me and you are brother. But me I go tell you this straight. You know say we mama run we gone left way. You a man, listen to me. Remember say me I no big sister, you know. Me no want hear nothing from you, you know. Listen, you come up here for a elaboration mode. Me should have known say your voice. Me wouldn't even answer you when you take. Listen to me, you chat too much. Milo, we mama run we gone left way. You not help me with we little sister and me one I fi sell front. So if you don't want me sell me front, me fi sell me back. Me rather sell me front. That's not for your business that day.
But Nessus, you could have sell back juice. It's better than that, more than 100 man a pass. Pass by, pass out, pass in, pass out. You're gonna have womb cancer.
Nessus, shut up.
Sell back
You have
juice.
to respect your bigger sister.
Sell back juice. Me have walker down there. Come with me. grab him rake and rake him so me I cut here rake back at me and make a money from me. Instead of sell front.
Bag juice.
Yes.
Milo, me and you is brother and sister. You not supposed to care when me want to sell. And you can't give me no work. I me look like man that a man work. I'm looking the easiest way out for my sister. Because she soon left class and have to go to college. And you not help me with her. You gone pan road all about with your friend. What is your problem? Where you announce me in a village for? And I tell the people them about me a sell front. Look here. You say if you want me to feel in a peace, and you want peace reign in Israel, in this community, here, go on where you go. Come in now, beg you nothing.
Sister, you're too old for it. Left it to young people.
Hold on. Hold on. Me ask things here. Hawk. You feel some your size? Eh? Me don't care. Me is the first one to your mother. My love, me ask you a question. I watch your sister front.
What? What? Me not no time to watch not even my woman front much less feel. You know see you're old already.
Go on, cause you look like
Put
you're a
it
family
down.
ram.
Put it down.
Milo, me dey beg you, please do not watch me front. Oh, tired.
I'm going to tell Betty to have a shoe.
Evening. Manda. Where
What
they
are
are
you
they?
here, Mary? You know about get beaten?
I just am run from brother little while.
You know no sense. Live up a here with pay stress and struggle, me go find something else to do.
But if me left, me not gonna have nobody to send me to school, man. They have to understand
And
me.
make sure we don't leave school to find something else to. Because you see right now, if you don't have links, you don't know where you go.
And if you tell you, as me left school, so road.
That makes sense. You know you're an idiot. You go to school for 4 years for your degree. Have you left your road? Top from now, no waste no more money.
Me better me continue my education. Suppose me forget one good sensible job now. And me go come out of school. Me can't go get it.
Hungry where you don't get a job right now through your colour eye. You see black people like me struggle hard.
So that's why you see that I take out the juice.
You know worry about that, come never beg you a drink. Fret boy and your family me on the street when me tell them come go do different sitting. And top, make them beat their in, their out.
Do what?
Oh, you have attitude now, man, then top beat you. One day.
Anyway, miss, we can have a word with you, please.
Yeah, man, talk.
I want sleeping pill.
I want to put somebody to sleep. I want the good one, I want the generic.
Alright, you see when me have it stronger than pill, a dose. You just sprinkle it tonight.
So how much for it?
A 3 grand then I will go find them.
Let me carry the dead money for me.
Alright, let me get it.
Time out, but you have money over there, squeeze to buy things and take a little time attack and I'm hearing your son. You're Ginal.
Sometimes you must mind your own business and you must be seen and not heard.
Who you have put to sleep? Eh? Oh, buy me a buy then. Buy me a buy. Yeah, man, see.
Thank you.
Alright.
You don't change your mind yet? You're not going to stay with me?
After this, me see what I work.
Oi, idiot. See your phone there.
Thank God. Thanks for reminding me.
Oh, you will walk up left and go sleep. Remember, say she's strong. Give her a double dose.
Alright.
That's my girl.
which show? It always hot.
A TV me come to watching.
Oh. Where I drink rum?
I want a Nestles.
Are you dirty friend? Give me it.
Nestles, you never have to grab me now. Cause you could have just asked come would I give cause you treat me good. You always send me go to school so you know me kind to your Nestles.
Betty, you see any of me taste this and a rum, you see which God you serve. You.
Then taste it then no?
Wait tell me if you taste it before time for.
But I used to say you go taste it. So taste it and give me back and me well thirsty.
Me not give you back none. Bride. Oh, you're lucky saying a rum, it tastes good, so you act like a water. This look like you put sitting in it sweet man and sugar.
No. Nestles. Alright, give me back a cup, me go catch some more.
Girl, I'm gonna put it down.
Not even little bit, you know that.
Go put it down. Boy, you come in here and come drink sitting. Huh? And they go on like you know want give me none. Betty!
You want me to put on cup in the kitchen? See kitchen there. Hello, babes. You know, I feel like I want to go somewhere this evening. I just feel like I want to go out because home is stressing me. Okay, no problem. Alright.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Oh, I'm standing outside my gate. I'll come and meet you. Yeah, I'll meet you halfway. Alright.
Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
You good, bro? So, whatever come out the house another day. Going to Pink House. You know where is Pink House? Where's from? You know Pink House? Yeah, man. It's a joy if you have you here today, though, you know? Finally, an idea. Why then come pressure you, though? Someone watch you. And security then depend on you. You see, after you study so much, you need look, you know, look a treat for sure. See, you have passed the test, them, right?
Yeah, I'm passing all of them.
Yeah, so a good look. Now you can let down your ear, atmosphere, natural juice. You know what I mean?
No, even though I'm going to college, they don't believe in me.
They don't believe in you?
Nope. They keep telling me that I'm going to get pregnant and I'm going to fall out of school and all of the yada 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 bull
But you
crap.
know, so you notice what I do though. Every time I pull out, right? So that's not possible.
I still don't trust that.
Don't worry yourself, but it's working though, right? You're going to make it. Don't worry yourself about what them say to you. Believe in yourself. You know what I mean? I believe in you. All in the world I believe in you. Because you want you to see me and say, see that girl that this sound I'm saying to me not about her. I know for now already. I see loving her already. You know what I mean? So I know just say start, but you go further.
Okay.
Since I've been with you, I've seen improvement in my life and my happiness. You bring me such a joy. When we wake up in the morning, first in my mind is just you. Let's go play. Let's go play like kids. Life, you know, life should be like this, right? We're just free, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to have so much complication and too much brain problem. And I know that even in the school, they are pressure in your brain too much. Because the amount of work them give you, just a short bit of time, your brain never make for work. But you see you have a good brain.
I think I can manage.
You understand? I don't know so you can do it. You see the ensure them, we are drink. No man, we don't mean no smutty way man. How long do you drink ensure now? Why next time you drink before that? Pediatrician? You have to drink?
Pediasure.
Pediasure. Yeah, so I know two of them sing the song about it. How long do you drink ensure? And you're not no smutty with it.
No.
You're a Steiner man. You can't drink it if you have to drink it. And look up. You look good. Yourself. You alright though?
Yeah.
So school tomorrow again.
Yeah, that's why I have to come and cool out because the view is nice.
Yeah man, so it's a joy to see you today though, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's good still. I'm happy because I got the chance to de-stress and clear my mind, etc. Because if you ever know what I did today
What you do?
to my sister,
What you do?
I gave her extra strength sleeping pills.
Oh, so them are sleep? No.
She's sleeping.
Cause when you call me, I say, oh, come you come out. You can't come out in a day now. You want me to come pick you up right now. And you want to go out.
I just hope that when I get back, she's still sleeping.
Alright, so I have something planned for you. We can de-stress some more, you know.
What's that?
Let's go there. So, what I will do, I will check you back later. Hope so they don't wake up on one bag or something, alright? So, did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, I did. I'll give you a call.
Sorry that I was slow. Okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
You don't say like you. Come. Alright, later. We'll call you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to create these wonderful content for you guys. It simply means if you reach to the end of the video, it simply means you love the video. So thank you very much for watching. It's always a pleasure to create wonderful content for you guys. You don't know, say, we are the YouTube, we're not doing Netflix. So you don't know, say, once we're doing YouTube, we're always going to need all the contribution that we can get. You see me, I say, so if you are out there, you love what we are doing, and you want to see the thing continue to grow, you can reach out to Public Report on Instagram. DM him, man, and make him know, so yo, I love what you do, youth. Keep on doing what you do, and I want to send a little contribution so you can keep doing what you do. Because at the end of the day, persons on the outside might not know that to create this content, it costs. Because at the end of the month, we have to ensure say, each person who play a part, who play a role, we have to ensure so they can get something at the end of the month. So if you keep on doing what you do, we're always going to need the support from you guys. Any form of contribution, no care how small it is, we will accept it. You can link with me and send me something through Western Union or MoneyGram because it is needed. You see me I say? So big up on yourself again. Thank you guys for watching. And Public Report, the 10,000 subscribers. And we like that. So keep it going. Share the video up. Tell a friend for tell a friend. And just go on, do the thing. Big up on yourself. Alright? Yeah, man.
Don't give up on me. There are some things I cannot say. One day, no matter what I do, it's not enough. No matter what I say, I can't get my way. One day, at least that's what my heart still says. So please, don't give up on me. Deep down I'm trying to be strong for so long. One day I know I'll get what's meant for me. So